1.6 volts. This time we have rechargeable batteries from SCIGOLD. These are 1.6 volts and these are 1.2 volts. So we have AAAs and AA's, and they were kind to send us battery charger, AAA batteries and AA batteries. For the charger you need a C cable. Default mode, it comes for 500 microamps, but you can crank it up holding this button and then change the battery you need to adjust, or all the batteries. You can crank it up 500 microamps, 600 for all the batteries. You can set each battery individually. Let's say 500, then the next battery is a 900. Next battery I can change charging to 1400. That's done. So you can charge only one battery or two or three, and then also I'm charging a AAA battery. We have diesel 10 testing with 1.2 volts. Testing 1.6 volts. Blue batteries has more power, and this is really good if you want to race your engines. Testing Flip Phase Hero 1.2 volts. Let me tell you, 1.2 volts, if you want to recreate slow trains, that's a really good set of batteries for slow moving trains. 1.6 volts. Wow, what a big difference. Remember when I changed, I think it was 4.5 volts batteries? You definitely don't need to modify your engine. With these batteries, definitely do the trick. I'm gonna do a test with a brand new batteries. So this is 1.5 volts. .6.